don't know. Okay, I'll go steer up. I think it is absolutely beautiful. All right, get this party started. So pretty. Ooh.
Bigger than the one that we think. Yeah, that's nice. VLoG.
It's bigger than the one in Volcano Bay.
That's the Menahune area, so you with all the bridge and all that.
Yeah, where are the animals?
See that volcano thing?
Yeah.
People walking up it.
Right, we just got to Aulani. What do you think, Katrina? Being a little shy. I think it's absolutely stunning, breathtaking. We got our room keys. They're not ready yet. It's about, I think, like 3. So they said by 4 our room should be ready. So we're gonna kind of just look around, see what's going on. This view, I'm like tearing up. It's like nothing I've ever seen before. Just relax here. I might need to add that to my Wishables. Super, super cute keychains. I love that. So they do have pin training.
That Alice in Wonderland Cheshire Cat.
I don't know, I'll have to check this out.
Oh, Cheshire Cat.
The view. Just love it. Alright, we're walking to the room. And I'm just very, very excited. There's so much to see. Aloha. Welcome to our room. So we purchased DVC points. And I'm pretty happy. We're not currently DVC members yet. I would like to be. But we've never been to Aulani either. And I am so absolutely stoked about this bathtub. Look at it. It's so deep. Like seriously. I love my bubble bath. So I'm very, very excited about that. Then you get like a door in between. We're not gonna get all fancy, I guess, in the bathroom. Yeah, no art. We just have these cool tropical fish hanging out. I also, for all my lady friends, you need that makeup mirror. Aloha! All right, let's see. So there's your towels. Rando closet. Sorry, we literally haven't looked around at all. Oh, nice. Little like luggage rack. There's a safe chilling over there. Now I had called previously because, like I said, we've never been to Aulani. We've never done DVC, so this was like a double new whammy for us. And they said that we wouldn't have a microwave. So we have a microwave. So I am more stoked that we have a microwave than you people know. And a TV, and I would think this is the fridge. Yep, there's our fridge. Now we just got like the standard view. I mean, literally the cheapest ever. I figured we're gonna be at the pool most of the time, so. Got a lamp, little dresser, you know. But I think this is so cute. The little to eat on, you know, lunch and stuff. My Up backpack. Anybody who loves Up, hello, totally my jam. But yeah, I definitely am digging this Mickey lamp too. I'm not sure how he turns on. Hello. I don't know. We'll have to look at that later. I am a blonde, just for reference. So got plenty of room over here. So this is a standard view, but we still can see the mountains. The guy was like, "Oh, you won't have a view." I'm excited. I think this is beautiful for us. Say hi, Trina.
Girl.
This is my daughter, Katrina. She's excited. We're finally in the room. So we got little paths and stuff down there. I think that looks so relaxing. I think I'm just gonna, when I'm not at the pool, we're just gonna like, chill out here and sit. Same with the mountains. Look at this view. Zoom in. Just breathtaking. And I guess maybe that's, you know, if we need something out of the car, a shorter way to go. Alright guys, well, technically it's my birthday still. Yesterday was my birthday, so I'm still celebrating. So, aloha! And I will make more videos in a few. Thanks for tuning in.